chicken train through the forest path down the leafy lane. Feathers flutter, wings spread wide. Chickens giggle as they ride. The forest whispers soft and sweet. Green tall trees where shadows meet. Lovely flowers dance and sway, guiding the train along its way. Chugga chug, the wheels go round. Funny clucks are the only sound. Red hens, brown hens, chicks so small, ride together, one and all. A rooster whistles toot toot toot. Leaves fall gently at their boot. Rabbits wave and squirrels cheer. The chicken train brings joy each year. Sunlight sprinkles golden beams. Sparkling rivers flow like dreams. Owls call hoo while foxes hide. Still the chickens laugh with pride. Lovely forest, cool and bright, glows with magic, pure delight. Every branch and every vine shines to greet the clucking line.